So here's how to check or see your YouTube login activity on your mobile device. First, you want to open the YouTube app, and then you want to click on your profile logo. Now you want to click on Google account, and then you want to scroll on the side to security section, and then you want to scroll down till you see recent security activity, and then you want to click on review security activity. And here on this page, you should find all the recent security activities, such as your sign-in and your password changes and stuff related to security. And from here, you can also notice any unfamiliar activities or sign-in attempts from unusual places, which you can click on to expand and view the details and potentially define it as if it's you or not a secure account or not a secure user trying to sign in. You can also go back to the devices section if you scroll down a little bit and go to your devices section and then click on manage all devices. And from this list, you should see more detailed information about the devices that are connected or signed into your Google account or your YouTube or all YouTube and Google services. Now, if you don't recognize any device in this list, you can simply click on the device, like this one, for example. And then you'll be prompted to verify if it's you by using your fingerprint or re-entering your password again. And then you can simply sign out this specific device from your Google account and YouTube and all the services. And it will sign out the device from this session, and it will be will be able to log in again if you change your password. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.